Welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to show you how to change your wiper blades. The first thing you want to do is figure out exactly what model of wiper blade that your car is going to need. So to figure out which wiper blades I needed, I took my car to AutoZone and had them plug the information into their computer, and I was able to come up with the Bosch Evolution 4826 for the driver side and the Bosch Evolution 4818 for the passenger side. I went with these Bosch Evolution models because they were kind of in the middle of the price range. Not super expensive, not super cheap. Okay, so you may be looking at your wipers and wondering, how do I get them up to where I can actually change them? The hood is blocking them from coming up. Well, you have to put the car into the maintenance position. To get your wiper blades into the maintenance position, you'll need to take your key and insert it into the ignition, turn it forward twice to where your car starts beeping, and then turn it backwards once. Then you're going to use your wiper control and press it up for 3 seconds. Now you see our wipers are up in the stationary maintenance position. Then you can go ahead and take your key out so you don't drain your battery. Now that we're in maintenance mode, you can see that both of the hinges now allow us to raise the wipers off of the car so that they can be replaced. To unlock the wiper blades from the arms, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver. You could use your key or your finger, but I suggest just using a screwdriver. And you're just going to pop this little latch open right here, and then you're going to take the whole wiper blade and move it down towards the car. And then this bottom part, you're going to swing upwards, and then you can see the hook right there has released the entire wiper blade. We're going to do the same thing for the passenger side. We're going to take our screwdriver and just pop our latch all the way up, and then take the entire blade, move it down, and swing it back off the hook. Now we're ready to put our new wiper blades on. Alright, so we've unpacked our new blades, and they actually came with little adapters just in case you have a different type of latch to attach them to. If you'll notice, the new blades are actually quite a bit more curved, which I think will help us since the windshield is curved glass. Now, our new blades, instead of having the little latch at the top here, has this little compartment that you're going to open to install them. The open side will actually go towards the hook here. You're going to put it into the little reservoir there and then lift all the way up until you get a click. Then you're going to close that little compartment and lower that blade. Same thing applies to the driver's side. We're going to put it on with the open part towards the hook, click it up into place, and then close our little compartment and lower the blade. Now, if your wiper blades are like the old kind with the latch at the top, you're simply going to turn it all the way on its side here and feed the hook up through to where you can see it. Then you're going to turn it and lift up as far as you can and slide that latch back down and then lower your blade. Once you're done switching out the blades, you're going to take the car out of maintenance mode. So you're going to put your keys in and again click it forward twice. But this time you're just going to flip the wiper control up once, and you'll see they go back down into the regular ready to use position. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope this video helped you out.